Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important concept of business environment. My name is Shubham Bhardwaj. Question: what is national income? Discuss the different methods of measuring the national income. Introduction: national income is an uncertain type which is used interchangeably with national dividend, national output, and national expenditure. On the basis of national income has been defined in a number of ways. In common parlance, national income means the total value of goods and services produced annually in a country. Definition of national income: the definition of national income can be grouped in two classes on the traditional definitions advanced by Marshall, Gove, and Fisher, and modern definition. Methods of measuring national income. There are four methods of measuring national income. Which method is to be used depend upon on the availability of data in a country and the purpose in hand. Following are the methods: product method, income method, expenditure method, and value added method. Product method. According to this method, the total value of final goods and services produced in a country during a year is calculated at market price. To find out the GNP, the data of all productive activities such as agricultural products, wood received from forests, minerals received from mines, commodities produced by the industries, the contributions to productions made by transport, communications, insurance companies, lawyers, doctors, teachers, etc., are collected and assigned at market prices. Only the final goods and services are included, and the intermediary goods and services are left out. Income method. According to this method, the net income payments received by all citizens of a country in a particular year are added up. Net incomes that accrue to all factors of production by way of net rents, net wages, net interest, and net profits are all added together, but incomes received in the form of transfer payments are not included in it. Expenditure method. According to this method, the total expenditure incurred by the society in a particular year is added together and includes personal consumption expenditure, net domestic investment, government expenditure on goods and services, and net foreign investment. Fourth, value added method. Another method of measuring national income is the value added by industries. The difference between the value of material outputs and inputs at each stage of production is the value added. If all such differences are added up for all industries in the economy, we arrive at the gross domestic product. Thank you.